Greetings, everyone. I would like to welcome you to another part of the Atlantis project. You may be a little confused why another part when the city is already finished. That's because I decided to make sort of accessories to the city. And by that, I mean ships. As you know from the series, Daedalus often landed here between those two piers. Not sure between those two exact ones, but you know what I mean. So that is why I decided I want to do that as well. Uh, we have six um, cavities, let's say, which could be filled with specific ships. So I decided I will make six ships that will be able to dock with the city and, you know, kind of extend the possibility. And I've already started and, well, already finished the first one. And that being Prometheus. Sure, you can say why the hell Prometheus? It was never on Atlantis, I know, but I simply want to do it. I want to do this and other ships. So yeah, that's why it is here. Anyway, the ship is scaled more or less correctly when it comes to the city itself. So this is basically it. Now, when it comes to the actual assembly of the Prometheus, we will take a look and how it actually works. So we have one half. As you can see, it will have two pins. Then we have the second half. Then we have the back with the engines, the top, and the duo of hangar base, and the very top. And then we have the stand itself, which is this rather simplistic part. As you can see, it has cutouts for the corresponding ribs on the city itself. So the idea is that it will simply slide and will be held on place via friction itself. And the uh, stand, I guess, has these knobs and this piece for the ship to actually rest on. Okay, so this is it. We can now move to the printing and assembly. Before we do, I will just say that my plan is to actually fill every single one of those free spaces with a different ship, so you can expect another part of this video series in near future. Okay, so now let's go straight to the printing.
Okay, so we have the first piece. As you can see, the pin has to be also here, but I lost mine and I don't want to print another one, so I only use this one. And yeah, so we take the two halves together and simply push the two together, and yeah, like this. Then we will take the engines and okay, like this. And then we take this piece and okay, like this. Now we have the top piece, and last but not least the underway one and two. Like this. Okay, so yeah, that's the Prometheus. Okay, so the holder for the Prometheus belongs here, so we will input it there. Okay, as you can see, I simply slide it there, no glue, nothing like that, it holds simply by friction. And now we will take the Prometheus and put it here. Yeah, and that's our first ship for the Atlantis. Okay, so I will keep you posted because there will be more to come. Okay, have a very nice day and bye bye.